Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a working Wi-Fi connection and an Apple ID signed into the iPad. First, open Settings and verify your Wi-Fi shows connected and has internet access. Next, sign in with your Apple ID at the top of Settings and enable iCloud if prompted. This links messages. Once done, check Settings General Software Update and install any iPad OS updates so iMessage uses current security and carrierless sync features. Open Settings, tap Messages, and toggle iMessage on so the service activates over Wi-Fi. Then tap Send and Receive to add or verify the email addresses and any phone number associated with your Apple ID. These are the contact points iMessage uses. Make sure the check marks show where you can be reached and choose the preferred Start New Conversations from address. This controls what recipients see. If activation takes a minute, be patient. The iPad contacts Apple's servers over Wi-Fi to confirm. Once configured, send an iMessage to someone with an Apple device and look for blue delivery bubbles. That confirms it's working over Wi-Fi. To keep threads consistent, enable messages in iCloud and settings your name iCloud so conversations sync without cellular. If iMessage won't activate, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPad, sign back in, and re-enable iMessage. This clears common activation errors. If problems persist, try a different Wi-Fi network or reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.